Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to be ditching the factory side steps on our Silverado for some brand new rough country. Now these rough country wheel-to-wheel Nerf Steps are going to fit 14 to 18 Silverados as well as GMC Sierras with the crew cab. As you can see here, they fit really nice, plus they're going to allow you and your passengers to be able to get in and out very easily. Today we're going to show you how to get these installed, so let's get started. Now, if you guys do have factory side steps on your GMC or Chevy, you're going to want to remove the factory hardware using a 13mm socket and an extension. Now, there are 2 bolts that hold on each of these, so there's going to be 8 in total on each side. One's going to be going into the tub from the inside, and then one comes up through the bottom. As you can see, this truck has either hit something before or been hit, because this metal bracket that holds these on has been completely bent backwards, so we're going to have to use an extension and try and work our way in there. If you have a standard truck that hasn't, ever had any damage on your side steps, you're going to easily be able to reach in there, but with us, we'll have to work with it a little bit. Once you have all the factory bolts out, I've got Brendan here giving me a hand. You can pull it away. So we're going to use Brendan's help, who's going to pick this up for us. I'm going to line it up and then just start threading our factory hardware in. Now, if you've never had side steps on your truck, the kit does include hardware, so you won't be out of luck. There's hardware included with the kit, but for us, since we already had them on here, we're just going to use the factory stuff. So we got all the hardware in. Now what I'm going to do is go back, just snug it all down with the impacts here, and then tighten it all by hand. Repeat the exact same process on the other side, and that's it, guys. This was really simple. We'll show you what it looks like out on the outside. Well, guys, about 20 minutes later, and only with the use of a 13mm socket, we've got these rough country steps installed in the Silverado, and I think they look a ton better than the factory chrome steps. Obviously, you've got 2 hoops hanging down there with the rough country logo, and it's going to let you and your passengers get in and out a whole lot easier than before. They were definitely better than those chrome ones that were on there that had some dings and some scratches and weren't held on there too well. You can do this with factory hardware, or the kit even includes hardware if you didn't have steps from the factory. Now, if you want to check these out, be sure to visit us at cjponyparts.com for all your great Silverado truck needs.